Ropax 16, we have huge disadvantages in Europe, and that's why the Porsche Taycan with 100,000 euros cost and 350 kilometers autonomy cannot compete with the new BYD or even Teslas that have half the cost, 50,000, and autonomy double, 600 kilometers. Now, same thing is in the Ropax. Why are we stubborn enough to change the policy of the whole crew management situation, whilst in Northern Europe, for example, we have huge, very expensive wages, same as the car industry in Germany, that are not competitive. Why? Because many factors like minimum wages and so on. We could continue, but let's just go to the Ropax 16. How can Ropax 16 adapt today to its new challenges? Well, it has to change completely the policy. It has to adapt. The solution is always ecological. ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparency. Do we need this huge industry in Germany full of taxes and minimum wages and so on and much more that I'm not going to talk about, to compete with this new car industry in China that really has double autonomy and half the price? It's not possible to compete. Now then, first thing is, please, dear ship owner, realize that if you are ship owner in the Northern Europe, you must really adapt BESG, corporate social responsible, and then you must find solutions that are tailored to your fleet. Many had previously Eastern European cruise, now it's not going to be possible. Or if you wish to, you have to pay for it. Or you will have this Schengen visa problem, the US visa problem, many different problems. Why not talk to Candina and have the solutions tailored for your fleet? Because there is plenty new sources, and whilst others are not going to change, if you move first, you have a competitive advantage. Isn't that right? Let's generate barriers and keep the talent in your good company. And the first thing is, why not going together to Adonis? Many Ropax companies have done that before. Keep the talent on board your software, not big companies' softwares that is very expensive, like today a Porsche, BMW or Mercedes. Yeah, Adapt, have double autonomy, half the price. Adonis is not half the price, it's like 10th of the price. Autonomy, what you need for talent is perfect because it keeps it. So why not contact us and then before Christmas have the whole fleet managed by Candina. Thank you, bye.